See the crow in front of me on top of that pole? See the crow, just like the devil is looking for his prey. But guess what? Heavenly Father is above all. In Jesus Christ, He will protect us and watch over us. Do our best to keep the commandments, that we may not fall victim to the evil one. BK Parable signing out. Wow, even a crow's getting sun. Me too. Getting sun. Sun is good for you. It's kind of cool. Is that a crow or a hawk? That can't be no crow. It's really big. That's too big to be a crow. That's a hawk or something. Wow, that's magnificent. Be vigilant and watch out for the adversary. The devil's like the lion, roaming the earth, seeking whom he could devour. Be steadfast and keep the commandments of God, that your foot will not be taken or snared by the cunning one, which is the devil. BK Parable signing out.